So what's up everyone, hi, this is Niladri from the Foodies community. So right now I'm here in a place which is located at Newtown. I think you guys already guessed where I am because it's quite trending in these days and people started talking about this place on internet today. So yes, I'm here in a coffee house. Coffee house is quite popular, you can say it's a happening place. From now onwards I'm planning to make videos on English because English videos reach more, maybe because I saw that my videos, when I make videos in Bengali, so it's reach around 15k 20k, but when it comes to the English part, English videos reach more, so I have to grab the whole audience. And I have to clear a few doubts about this place because this place, people think this place is all like similar to the old coffee house. This is not, this is totally another venture, and the old one is almost another, is connected with, maybe undertaken with government. So this coffee house is ventured by Cafe Ekante. Cafe Ekante is a quite known brand. So without further any delay, let's quickly take you inside and show you all the ambience over there, and let's see what we are going to have today. So you can see they are maintaining all the safety measures. So you can come, and if you want to come in this place, you have to book a ticket from Book My Show. Or else you can come, but you have to wait for 20 minutes in the line. So I think if you are intellectual, I think you go for the ticket ones. So after the all sanitation process, let's heading to our next the destination. This is the ambience, the front facade. You can see the coffee house Newtown. This is the entrance. So let's quickly take. Right now we are in the inside of coffee house. So here you can see the ambience over here. This is the royal touch you can get here. So just see the ambience. Was almost similar to the old coffee house. If you ever visit old coffee house, I think you can summarize both things together. But don't mess up both things, but both are the different fan base. Because Newtown coffee house is totally different, and old coffee house has a nostalgic touch, I think But here you can get a royal touch with having a cheaper food. So we are going to try today a few dishes, which is cappuccino and the cold coffee almost in my hand right now, and fish finger and the chicken sandwich. They say the chicken omelette is not available here, and they are providing this bottle, it's a Kinley bottle. There you can't get the blue pine bottle, so you have to manage with Kinley. Go with the next part of this video. Please don't skip this video. We have a lot of interesting topic. Here is a cold coffee. This cost around 80 rupees, so I have to try this one. Yeah, obviously this is a coffee, but I have tried a lot of cold coffees, but this is quite different and almost a basic ones. You can say it's a quick service restaurant. It take time around 5 to 10 minutes for you to deliver your order. Okay, this is a cappuccino we have right now. You can see the cappuccino over here, and they provide two cubes, sugar cubes. Is a texture, cappuccino texture is good, but though you don't get the thickness. There's a fish finger. You can say the tere mere fish finger. And they provide the 3 type of dips over here. So you can see that this is both are mayonnaise, and this one is a tomato ketchup, and this is lemon, and actually bochhorer purono lanka. But it's okay. This this price range, I think, is quite enough. So I have tried this. This is mixed with milk and coffee, and it's cold. You can't get anything different. This is average, not so good. It's not a thick coffee. So if you tried cappuccino in other places, people they're serving with the pipe, but they are serving with a spoon, and there's a sugar cube. I have to do because I'm not conscious about my health. This is also average. It's not not extraordinary, but it's okay. In 110 you can get two chicken sandwiches. This look like this. Maybe this sandwich looks good also. No doubt, sandwich is quite good. Mixed with the mayonnaise and chickens. I think I'm going to suggest this one. So you can, if you visit this place, so try this one. Next is the fish finger. This looks like tere mere fish finger. I mean, naam diye thake. Little bit salty, but the texture was good. They are using a lot more oils in this fish finger. You can see the oils, but the texture was good. And try with the dip. They have 3 dips. This one is good. You can try this one. It cost around maybe 140. You can get 6-7 fish fingers, tere mere fish fingers. So I think if you visit in this place, so you should try this one. But don't try this cappuccino, it's hilarious. But I think I like this one. So we had ordered chicken chow mein along with the previous orders. So it cost around 150. So you can see the chow mein over here. It's totally mixed with chicken chunks. You can see a few pieces of fried eggs, and the top with spring onions, and tossed with maybe this one is a black pepper. I'm not sure, pretty sure. Chow mein texture is not so cool. It's average quality. In 150, I think you should get a little bit good quality, but this quality is average. Not so. It's not an extraordinary. It's a little bit, basic range. And they provide a sauce over here. I don't know what is the actual sauce of this. Maybe this one is a chili sauce. Exactly, this one is chili sauce. I have to finish all of these dishes and keep watching this video till end. শেষে কি অনেক কথা আছে আমি বলবো. Standing in front of coffee house, so I had tried 4-5 dishes, and I just forget to cover a place, a section which is they have providing, and you guys have to know, because this one is a library section. You can read books here, and there's a rush because that's the main reason why I can't cover. So I had tried 5-6 dishes here, and you have to know few things about this place because right now it's quite popular and happening. It's trending in this, in Kolkata dishes. So the fish finger and the sandwiches were awesome, really awesome. But the few dishes are not up to mark for me, as based on my suggestion, because I'm sharing my experience in this video. So please don't take it in a wrong way. I don't have any kind of intention to harm their business and all. But for me, I think it's good for photo session because the ambience you can see is a crisp ambience. The interior and everything, it was amazing. But the food quality is not going to, in this arena. So I think the photo is better. If you want to take photos, good photos, I think you can come this place. But for food, I'm not going to suggest this place. And if you are watching this video in Facebook, please hit the like button. Please follow. Keep watching this video in Kolkata Foodies community. I always try to come up with a different kind of food joints and all. And if you are watching this video in YouTube, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends in this video and tag your friends in comment section. So stay tuned, and I'm coming in next video with any different kind of food joints and any different kind of food places. Thank you so much, and stay safe. My suggestion, I'm not going to suggest right now for outing because the situation is weird, terrible. So please stay in home, stay safe, be safe, and thank you so much.